Hey yo YouTube, guess what? It's Preston and I'm a ninja and I got my little ninja buddy too. He's right over there. Right there. Yes he is. He's a ninja. And right there, yes he is. Right there. Yes he is. He's a ninja. And some ninja stuff today. Right. Dude, we gotta have super cool names. What's your name gonna be?
Shadow.
Shadow? That dude right there? Right here. His name's Shadow and my name is Tad. Yeah, we're ninjas. Okay. Can you see us? I don't know. Let's zoom in. Woo! Woo! Oh God. How far is that? Wait, back up. I can't even see anything. Okay. Here we go, dude. Are you ready for Ninja 101? We're gonna first start off with combat. As a super awesome ninja, you gotta know how to fight. Rule number 1. Big sword will beat little swords.
That was fucking
God dang it! That's rule number 1. See Shadow? He just died. Dude, this ninja gear, I can't handle it. Are you okay? Okay. Ninja sucks. It really does. So, what we're gonna do is stop the camera. Whew. Okay, we did a little ninja stuff. The ninja stuff did not work at all. So, we're totally gonna do random crap out here, like what, Damon? Like what? Whatever's even pointing at you. Okay, kind of like random stuff like that. Whatever's even pointing at you. Okay, kind of like random stuff like that. Whatever's even pointing at you. Okay. Whatever's even pointing at you. Okay, kind of like random stuff like that. We'll pretty much probably hurt ourselves, hopefully. And we're going to do some stuff like do some ninja jumping and some ninja
weed whacking.
Ninja weed whacking, dude. Ninja weed whacking. I gotta start looking at that camera. Alright, here we go. First of all, we're going to do some ninja stuff, and we're going to do some flipping, maybe, and we're going to do some jumping, and we're going to do some rolling, and we're going to do some so that's the bad side. I shouldn't do that side. Ooh, there we go. Yes, and we're going to do some awesome stuff, like Damon, talk to the camera.
Hi.
No. Say stuff like what you're going to do.
We're gonna jump off stuff. We're gonna kick stuff, and we're gonna run up walls. Well, try to run up walls.
Okay, we're gonna do stuff like that. Alright, wait.